and the Frog, a short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a lion in the forest. It was sleeping under a tree near a pond. Suddenly, the noise was heard. The lion was disturbed by voice. The noise was consistently comes from pond. There was a frog in pond. The lion came to know the frog has made the noise. Lion warned him, "Don't make noise, I am sleeping." But the frog ignored him and make noise again. Lion angrily jumped into pond to catch the frog. The frog realized his mistake. But the lion caught the frog and killed him. Moral: don't play with leader. Thank you for watching.